Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're looking into an exciting topic, how to use ChatGPT on your mobile device. With the power of AI right in your pocket, you can enhance your productivity, learning, and creativity like never before. So, let's get started. First things first, let's get you set up. If you haven't already, head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for ChatGPT. Once you find the app, tap Install to download it. If you prefer not to download an app, you can also access ChatGPT directly through your mobile browser. Just navigate to the official ChatGPT website where you can log in or sign up for an account. This method allows for quick access without taking up storage space on your device. Once you have the app installed or are logged in through your browser, you'll go through an initial setup process. This may involve verifying your email address and setting up your profile preferences. It's a straightforward process designed to get you started quickly. Now that you're all set up, let's take a look at the mobile interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. At the top of the screen, you'll find a text input bar where you can type your queries or commands. You'll notice easy access to past conversations, settings for customizing your experience, and options for voice input. To start a new conversation, simply tap on the input bar and begin typing your question or request. If you prefer speaking over typing, look for the microphone icon that enables voice input, an excellent feature for hands-free use. One of the best things about using ChatGPT on mobile is how it simplifies everyday tasks. For instance, if you're often pressed for time, you can use ChatGPT to generate quick responses to emails or messages by prompting it with phrases like, "Help me draft a reply to this email." This feature can save you valuable time while ensuring your communications remain professional. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist in creating to-do lists or reminders. Simply ask it to create a to-do list for my day, and it will generate a structured list based on your input. This capability helps keep you organized and focused throughout your busy day. For students and lifelong learners, having ChatGPT available on mobile provides an invaluable resource for studying and research. Whether you're tackling homework assignments or preparing for exams, you can quickly ask ChatGPT questions about complex topics or concepts. For example, if you're studying history and need a summary of a specific event, simply type in "Summarize the causes of World War II." ChatGPT will provide concise information that aids in understanding difficult subjects without overwhelming details. If you're a writer or content creator, using ChatGPT on mobile can spark your creativity. If inspiration strikes while commuting or waiting in line, simply ask ChatGPT for help with prompts like, "Generate creative ideas for my next marketing campaign." ChatGPT's utility extends beyond its standalone capabilities. It can also work in conjunction with other mobile applications to enhance productivity further. For example, integrating ChatGPT with note-taking apps like Evernote allows users to quickly jot down ideas generated by the AI during brainstorming sessions. Lastly, let's talk about privacy and security while using ChatGPT on mobile devices. Best practices include ensuring that your device is secured with strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication where available. In conclusion, using ChatGPT on mobile is an easy way to boost productivity, learning, and creativity. Whether you choose to download the app or access it via a browser, the setup is simple. Once you're ready, you can enjoy its user-friendly interface, where you can type or use voice commands to ask questions, manage tasks, or create content. ChatGPT helps with everyday tasks like drafting emails, creating to-do lists, and supporting study and research. It's also a powerful tool for sparking creativity for writers and content creators. Finally, don't forget to secure your device with strong passwords and two-factor authentication for a safe experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching Truehost Academy, and happy chatting!